Hey guys, don't mind my bed, it's not made yet. But hi guys. Trying to get comfortable. Today we're gonna do my fidget collection, decide what I eat. So, and if it's not fidget, I'm gonna say that you can eat whatever you want. And if it's a solid colored one, then I have to eat that color. So what's not green? Okay, but you might be like, what am I gonna eat for this tie-dye one? We're gonna find something rainbow, hopefully. And if not, we can do one. I don't know what to do with this one. Maybe we just won't do the tie-dye pop and we'll just do the rest. But we also take this one out because, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do this. And I actually only picked them. We're gonna go picture. Oh, okay. Got one. Okay, we cannot eat a train. So I can do whatever I want. Hopefully not all my items like that. Okay, we're gonna find something rainbow. Well, actually, we're gonna take that one out, guys. I'm sorry. It's worth doing this challenge. An Among Us character. Whatever was I gonna take? I know, guys. I know I need to stop cheating. But we need to work off it. Okay, guys, so we got a giant answer. What I'm gonna do is try to find something rainbow or something with all these colors in it. That's what I'm gonna do for this one. That's what I'm gonna do for Santa Claus. Okay, we got one. Okay, we're not gonna be in a cat, so we're gonna find something white. We're gonna say it's mostly white. We're gonna find something white. Okay. So we're gonna pick a couple more things, for like the two other meals. The two other meals we're gonna eat. We're gonna do 3 more. Okay. So I got monkey noodle and I have. Ooh, so I have to find something red. Okay, so I have to find something red. I don't even think I've done that challenge on my YouTube channel yet. Only eating red. That's definitely very interesting, actually. Okay, I'm trying to see. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I get a drink. This is gonna be a drink. So I get to get a drink. Okay, so this is gonna be a drink. Okay, very interesting. We're gonna do one more, okay? Depends. Okay, we're not doing Baby Yoda. Again, I'm looking noodle. Yeah, I got another noodle. So now I did eating only yellow on my YouTube channel. So yeah. Okay, we're gonna do one more meal. Okay, we're gonna do one more meal. And hopefully this meal is gonna be good. We got I want to okay, we're gonna eat something blue. We're gonna want something at least like light blue, just like blue. So let's see what we have. Okay, then we got what? Oh, we got a popsicle. Yes, so I get to eat a popsicle. Okay. Okay, so we like something blue, so we don't get that one. Okay, what the heck? We're not gonna do cactus. I don't know. This is tie-dye. I forgot to all tie-dye. So we're gonna see what else we get in that big collection. Let's see. I think. What have we got? Okay. I know. No, just something I can't do right now. Okay, we need to move the stuff that's not fidgets in here. So I have to know. Okay, I don't know what to eat that one either. See, so because so many foods that you don't know what to eat, the monk and you can't eat that something. Okay, well, I'm kind of scared. Okay, hopefully we don't get repeat or anything. What the heck? We have to eat some. Okay, what I'm gonna do for this one though. Is this gonna get to eat anything I want, or what should I do? I'm gonna just tell them, but if we're gonna be doing Godzilla, so we're gonna wait to carry all these fidgets down with you in my hand back. Okay, we're gonna pull all these fidgets back that I did not use. I could use the blue unicorn, but I got blue. Did I get blue? Yeah, I got blue. So I would have got blue, guys, but because I shouldn't shoot. We're gonna go eat. I'm gonna go eat. So we got 3 meals. We're gonna get up now. Okay. Let's see what we get to eat. Let's go see. Okay, I might make up the meal, but it's okay. But at least I got a drink. Oh, sorry. At least I got a drink fidget. Okay, so I'll try something. I'm gonna put you guys right here. And we got like all these fidgets. Okay, I really don't remember what meal is which. I think it's my first meal right here. So we have to find something white for the little squishy cat. So what should I use that is white? Okay, we could eat a Kinder Joy, but I'm not looking too hungry now. We could drink a ketchup packet. Should I do it? Might as well. What should I eat that's white? We could do black, but like, there's not that much black. There's not that white. You know what? You know what? Okay, well, that's really well. But since it's white, and the ketchup packet is mostly white, we're going to be drinking a ketchup packet. I know, but like, it's like the only thing white. I mean, I'm probably going to look at this. I love ketchup, but it's not bad, actually. Okay. What about the white food? Okay. The white squishy cat is gone. So now I get to eat whatever I want because I can't eat a train, of course. So, what do I want to eat though? What do I want to eat is the question because I'm not too hungry right now. You know, we're going to do something healthy. We're going to do Apple Jacks. You know, we're going to do something a little bit healthy. You know, we're going to eat some Apple Jacks. There we go. Okay. Now for Santa, I don't know what to do for Santa. Should we do something blue? Because it has mostly blue in it. Okay, I think we're going to skip Santa because I'm not kind of hungry. So, lunch. Well, wait, there was from here? No, okay. Now we have to find something red and yellow. Kind of look like ketchup and mustard vibe. Now we have to find something yellow, red, and yellow, of course. Okay. So, let's see, do I have anything red or yellow? And for dragon, we always have to find dragon. We're gonna find something black, okay? For Godzilla. And I have to find something blue. I have to get something to drink. But I probably don't have anything like rainbow. I guess only something to drink. So yellow. Yellow. So yellow. We're gonna eat a banana. Yellow fruit. Have that. And I'm red. I don't really know what to eat this red. We're gonna eat an apple because it's red. Yeah, this is probably not really healthy, but well, now let's find something blue and black. So now I've found something blue, black, and drink. Let's see what do I have that's black. Okay, so we're gonna skip the black and blue one because I don't have anything. I know it's cheating, but okay. So now we're gonna drink my drink. Okay, you know we're just gonna skip this too. But I'm not doing it. We could eat anything else. So move it on. I'm gonna go now, guys. See you in the video. Bye.